All right, back we go. January 28th, some more videos. Let's take a look at AIM. AIM. Small cat. 83 million market cap. Income minus 11 million. Sales 8.2 million. 40 million float. Biotechnology. No news really recently. January 6th, it had first COVID induced chronic fatigue long hauler patient dosed with Ambligan. Founded in 1966, headquartered in Osceola, Florida. Focuses on research development therapeutics to treat multiple types of cancers, immune deficiency disorders, United States. So it's in the COVID space, SARS, research agreement with Japanese National Institute of Infectious Diseases. Let's take a look at the monthly here. This thing wasn't 10,000 in 2000, it came all the way back. In 2009, it bounced and went sideways with two splits. It was a split here in 2016, split here in 2019. All right, on the daily. So you see this big move down October 2019. This did bounce to 350. That's a key line. In January, bounced all the way up to 7. And look at that, it came all the way back. Now the low got higher here, 199. 350 right here again in July. Bounce back down. Bounce back to like 175 level. So you can see here there's 350 on. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, almost 5, 6, 7. We're hovering now, so you want this trend line to hold right here. It's like 175, 2-ish. You want this to break above 225 or 250 right here. If we can get above that, then we can test that 350 again. So you can see the wash down, sideways trying to bounce. Nothing doing right now though. It's pretty flat. PRPO, Diagnostics, Precipio launches COVID-19 antibody tests at point of care. That was today. Company is based in New Haven, Connecticut. Provides diagnostics products, services, United States, oncology market. 46 million market cap, income minus 15 million, sales 4.8 million, float 17 million. So let's take a look at this. This wasn't 2,900. See the wash down all the way down. You have two splits. See the monthly there. You can see the monthly. See that typical move because you're getting them splits. That's what makes the screen look like this. They're all coming down. Had a line here. You can take that out. They're older lines. This went to almost like 1050. Came all the way back. Had a little move back here. See where I put this line on 75. Bounced all the way up to 8. Almost 8 to a T. Then this came back. And look at that big, it's like a big flagpole. Then we went sideways. Look how this 2 held. We tried to break above 3, 3, 3. Tried right here again. We got above it, and it came back a little bit. Now it's touching this 13 EMA. We could get a bounce here right at 250 and come back up, or maybe even a little lower. I think we'll get a bounce here. And if we can, we'll go above 3 plus here. And 2's a big line here. It's held 2 for a long, so that's a good sign. So see, it made its move here. The lows are getting higher. So it's looking pretty promising. This might not happen overnight, but good potential. NH. Nant Health Information Services, 431 million market cap, income minus 79 million, sales 78 million, float 44 million. Let me see here. They announced Sesame announced collaboration to help providers increase productivity and better serve patients. Company is founded in 2010, headquartered in Culver City, California. Healthcare technology company, converging science and technology, United States, United Kingdom, Singapore, and Canada. So this happened in 2016, almost 21, came back. You see it really flattened out. Came down. I can take this line out. And on the weekly, see that 50-cent line? So, yeah, it's a big line at 50 cents. So, it pretty much held back in 2019. Go to the daily here. Yeah, you can take this out. See, this is a channel up, strong channel. Yeah, it really peaked in July, then it faded down. And you can see this right here. See this move up? Came back. Look at that two held, that two line. Big shooting star wick on this candle. That was big volume. That was 95 million in volume. Then it came back. See, it didn't hold. But look at the low. The low kept going up. So they were trying to push it up, but it just didn't hold. And today was another good move. So, this is trying to stay over that 450. We're climbing. We might get back to the 6 level. Wouldn't surprise me. You got to watch this on your low, though, as it's climbing. You want this to hold here. Maybe this 350. Even 4 level. So putting out some lines here. Trying to see here. The 6 line's important. Six line. And then this 2 line's very important right here. See this move up, came back to 2. See that 2 line hold, and then we came up. So the trend is up. Looks like we want to test that. See this move, like the U shape. So very strong going north. So we'll see what happens with NH. VCNX, biotechnology, no news recently. 57 million market cap, income minus 28 million, sales 8.6 million, 18 million float. Founded 2001, headquartered in Rochester, New York. Clinical stage biotechnology company discovers, develops biotherapeutics that treat serious disease conditions with unmet medical needs. Let's check this one out. Monthly, this was 2018 up to 12, bounced back and forth, got to 12 again 2020. And sort of this took a dive then. See this? You can see this up and down from about 4 to 8. Look at this, bouncing, and came back. And so we are now, I can take these lines out. Let's take a look closer. Yeah, this 175 line looks pretty big. See that here? So the big gap down, this is a big gap from, we'll call it like 550. See that move 550 all the way down. October, November, this bounced November all the way up to 325. And the low kept holding, got to 2. It's been up there. So, right now we're fading a bit. So this 275 line is pretty big. See this back and forth. So we had the gap down, trying to break through earlier. Couldn't make it. Now we're trying to get over that 275 line. Nope. Now we're coming down. If this doesn't hold here, below 250, we could come back to 225 too. You know, even maybe this 175 line. Anything's possible. Let me just stretch this out here. So see this back and forth, a rounding move, but we didn't go up yet. Test here, test here. Doesn't look like it's going to go right now. We'll see. Maybe even news could happen. It could bounce right up. You don't know, but you can see the support and resistance here. So a lot of room up here. I think we'll get there. Just a matter of time. So VCNX looks promising for that gap fill eventually. You don't know. It could be tomorrow. It could be next week, 2 weeks. Yeah, watch the candles. Watch the movement. So this was working well. See this? But then we're pulling back. It's like fading a little bit. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. TradeIdeas.com. Referral. My link. Twitter, MikeFrank007. TikTok, MikeFrankII. Instagram, MikeFrank98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. All right, that's it. Peace.